Good morning everybody, it's Easter Sunday, happy Easter to everybody. It got cancelled yesterday because of weather reasons. Anyway, this morning at 2:30 the convoy and the secretary had to make a tough decision because they couldn't actually get to Yeovil, they wasn't allowed on site or something, I don't know, and they had to make a call. So we're now liberating from Wincanton this morning. They were let off at 8 AM in a light northeasterly wind, so should take about maybe just over 2 hours, Pidgey. 2:10, 2:15. So what time is it now? 9:46. So within the next 20 minutes or so we should be seeing some birdies. So yeah, young'uns are out. Are we not bathing today? Tomorrow then? Oh, they're a day late for their baths. Oh well. So yeah, see you later. So people were saying about the flirts, and some people don't understand why we use them. Everyone's got their own different methods of how they want to trap their pigeons, and that's what we choose to do. It's what works best, and that's what we do. I've gone through a lot of different YouTube videos, and I've seen people just stand there and go, yeah, go on, go on, go on. And I've seen people that hold the flirt and they just show them like that. They go like that, they hold them up in the air and the birds are just flapping like that. I've seen other people that just whistle, and I've seen other people that just stand there and just do the corn. So everybody has their own different methods. There's no right or wrong way. It's whatever works for you. We choose to throw the flirt, whistle and shake the corn, and then they trap really quick. So yeah, that's good. Just thought I'd let you know that. We've all got our positions. Vanny is standing. Oh, there's Vanny. Waiting. Pidgey's got his position and I've got my position.
When you see about it, let me know and give me the nod so I can that way.
Go towards the house, yeah?
Hey?
Go that way.
Yeah.
The sun's come out. What's the matter? You're pretty sad today.
What?
You sure?
It's a big test. It's a big step up from what you do on Wednesday.
Yeah. I can't believe people will call me on at Easter Sunday for work.
Can't get this serious now.
What?
I'm starting to get serious.
I've got to act serious now. Got to act serious.
Come on, It's just been nice to be up with Mark and Gareth today. With a pile of them.
What way you got to throw the flirt, Van? All got our instructions.
Tell what, Gary Young, you can't find a good pigeon, you know.
Yes.
Mark's good, so they're both apart of each other. They're the best around here.
Is it like where his dad used to live?
He's only got 12 cups.
Really?
Those birdies sound lovely, chirping away. Do you see the goldfinch?
Yes. When I got here, there was 3 or 4 here.
Yeah. There's a couple going in wolf's box as well. I don't know what.
No, they're the little blue tits.
Oh, they're blue tits, yeah.
The goldfinches on the nest in trees.
Yeah. Is your tea all right?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah.
Come on, sunshine. Do you reckon they would have hit a bit of bad weather on the way through?
Should do.
Think it'd be all right?
Tell you when they come.
We were saying last night, Van, looking at all the different weather apps and how they all change.
Oh yeah.
But you'd think they'd all be reading off the same kind of weather monitor, whatever you call it.
99.5% in this country, when you get rain, it's always from the west.
Yeah,
Always on the west. You get east, and it's bright, but bloody cold.
yeah.
I mean, when you're going to get with the west, but now it's changed, that's why there's no rain.
Yeah. Trouble is, when you make the decision, you've got to make the decision on the Thursday.
Oh yeah.
And yet everything could change within 24 hours.
And yesterday it was only light rain.
It was lovely here yesterday. I could have got some washing dry and I didn't.
Well, I spoke to
because-
my mate, he lives in the Oval.
Oh really?
And he said it's very light rain, he said, but a bit misty-ish.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
He lives down there.
Oh, hopefully Pigeon made the right call, I think. Going oh,
Say when?
Now, Van.
11 minutes past. 10:11. Oh, that's good.
Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on.
Drop down.
It's a good one. Bell's talking to you.
Keep whistling. You got 3 on that clock?
Yeah. Fucking boss.
Right, it sat there for a while, didn't it? Maybe we've got to put something on the edge of that.
Good Belgian, is it?
Yeah. Is that the pool pigeon?
10 past, wasn't it? I made it. 10 past.
11.
11.
11, yeah, I'll check the mobile. It's 11. Get the flirt back.
That's right.
They tried, they moving, weren't they? Those three.
Were they on their own, Pidgey?
I didn't see anything, there was zero.
I didn't see any more either. The problem is you can see, I can't.
Yeah, I mean, I can't. You lot normally can see if they've come through with anything.
Yeah,
Yeah,
no,
another three.
go.
Is that yours, that five? Don't think it is.
That ain't mine.
No, it's not yours.
That's Dad's. That's a broken income.
Is it?
Bad sign, Dad's that close to us.
Is it? Is it? It's a bad sign. Slow at the trapping, we've got to sort that out.
They come.
I don't like them landing on that roof though.
Something better than last time, so it's not much.
Eh?
Got three together, mate. Good Belgian too. Better than last time. So.
Yeah, true. Well, the midweek one was good trapping.
It was very good trapping.
Was really good trapping, midweek one.
That's what you wanted.
Actually, there, it'll be alright. Problem is, I fed them, so I've got to stop doing that. Because they're in the babies, they get fed in the morning.
Yeah,
So they're not hungry when I let them go. They're not trying to drop down for food.
that's right.
So I'll have to swap that over. You know what? No, it's not their cop, that might be Dad's.
Yeah, I see him, yeah.
That flirt go in?
Looks like a cop, but it ain't. I think that's that blue end one from the week. Gotta set myself down.
Did you blow your whistle?
So, I can rename you. What was it? Oh, no, it won't be easy.
Here, another one, Pidgey.
Oh, she's a dozen. Right? So Belgium.
It seems to be coming from over there. It should come through that line there. Another one?
Oh, that's Woody.
There's one behind it. Can't be. How many we got, Pidgey? 8. Cool. That's not enough. Where the others gone? Another one? There's another one. Oh, is it not? Oh. Okay, now. Will I ever get to know? Here's one. There's another one coming. Another one. Some more. Got 3 more. How do you know one's not yours? Oh. You should go on the Guinness World Book of Records to say which one's yours and which one ain't. Babies. Look at that shit underneath there. It's definitely got to get cleaned. Have one. Come on. Look at that bit of flirt action led by me there. See how it come down straight away? Was that too high to be yours, Pidgey? It's not out. Oh, okay, it's not out. Just flown over. Can't be. Fanny said not. Carried on. Yeah, I would. I'd get everything. There's another one. Oh no, that ain't over there. It's over there. I'd whistle everything so I don't miss it. Is that one? No. Another one, Pidgey? Whistle? Pidgey? Hey? Isn't it fascinating how they turn and speed that they go? Wait a minute.
Four seconds anyway. More than that, yeah. Yeah, oh, that's right. That was that, do you reckon that might?
Oh, it was this. I thought you bumped into me.
That was him. Oh, that's why it's on your third.
We might have lost a few minutes coming here first. Does it not work like that, Pidgey?
The only problem was
Right, let's have a little look at who's back. Why are they trapped behind that fence, that gate, in there? Oh, that's the cocks in there, is it? Oh, all right. Trying to get out. Are they hungry? Oh, look at Danny doing his job in there. He's a good boy. Been moved about, he has. Oh, look at them. You having a drink? You thirsty? Good girls. Keep whistling. Oh, some more, some more.
So these ones ain't left the race point, they fucked about then.
Yeah. Off with their heads, Pidgey.
I ain't got the champion ferry yet. I want to know where she is yet. I thought she was going to be the early one. There she is. Champion ferry.
Oh, that's an unusual one place to sit. I've not sat there before. Hey,
Oh, it's stupid.
come on, Wally Bean. Is there? Is there a hawk? That'll get it down. How many are we waiting for? 6 more? 6 more. 7 more. No, didn't you send 26? There's some more here, Pidgey. Or are they too high? Are they too high? They're not ours. No?
They were, weren't they? I think so.
If me and Vanny were left in charge, I'd still be blowing the whistle, getting them, trying to get them in.
Why don't you just call one pigeon yet, you two drive me mad.
Don't get ill, Pidgey. Because you'll have more birds in that loft than you left with.
lunch bag.
Not in by a certain time. He locks the rest out. And that's how we get them to trap really quickly. 'Cause they'll miss out. So next time these ones will learn that they've got to get in first. There's another one over here, isn't there? These ones are starting to think now, well, hang on a minute, we're not getting no food. Need to get in. I'll put that one out, it wants to get in, try and get in a different way. They're walking around now thinking, well, I want to get in now, I need to get some food. It's quite funny really how they act. He'll only leave them out for a few minutes and then he'll try the trap again. And it's just basically trying to get them to do what Pidgey wants them to do, not the other way round. Just like teaching kids, innit? Giving them boundaries, rules. If you let them get away with doing what they want to do, then they'll be misbehaving all the time and they'll rule the roost. I suppose it's the same kind of logic here with pigeons. Fuckers, ain't they? No fuckers. No, they're playing about a Pigeon now. They do have their characteristics. They start mucking him about. They're like, yeah, no, I'll come in when I'm coming in. Come on, we've got one more. What a sod.
That's not ours.
Oh, is it not? Oh, that one's not ours. Whose is that then? That's it. They're all in. Oh, it's gone in. It's not ours, but it's gone in. We'll have a look at whose that is. Contact the owner. Oh, it's come back out. Nope, going in.